In this video, I want to show you how to verify your PayPal account. You're probably at a point whereby you've created a PayPal account and then it's asking you to verify. And the first thing it's asking you to do is to enter your US bank account. Now, if you're not based in the US, don't worry about that. Totally ignore that. Look for the option where it's going to ask you to verify with a card, right? You're going to enter your card details there. Make sure that it's a MasterCard or it's a Visa card, especially if you're in South Africa. A debit card will not work. It must be a MasterCard or it must be a Visa card. And those are the ones that are going to work for you. You're going to enter your card details there. And then what will happen is that you will see a notification where they tell you that they're going to send something, a code to your bank account, right? Make sure that you have got, let's say 50 rands or more in your bank account, because they're going to take a bit of money from your account to test that this card actually works and this account actually works. And then once they've tested and then you confirm, you're going to return that money back. I think it's about $2 or less. I'll just put up a screenshot right here. But now let me show you what that then looks like. As you can see here, my card has been connected and then it's asking me to confirm my card. All I need to do is I'm just going to click on this. And then as you can see, it's going to tell me, check your card statement for the code. Enter the code to confirm your card. I'm going to click on that. And then this is where I need to put the code. Now, when I go to my bank account, I just need to check my transaction history, right? Like, for example, I just did this about 5 or 10 minutes ago. I'm going to check under pending. That's for me. For you, it might be appearing under the successful transactions. I'm just going to check under pending. And then as you can see, there's this right here, which shows today's date. And then it shows PP. PP stands for PayPal. So I just need to copy this code like this. And then I come back to PayPal here. And then I just type the code there. Let me confirm 3385, 3385. And then I say confirm. So can you see the amount that they charged me there? It was $1.95. But I'm just going to click on confirm. And then can you see it says successful. So that's the first phase of you verifying your PayPal account. The second phase is that you simply need to make sure that you have confirmed your email address. When you create a PayPal account, they're going to immediately send you an email saying, please confirm that this is your actual email address. Go and check for that email. Click on the link that they send you. And then once you have clicked on that link, you have verified your PayPal account. This is the second way that you verify your account. Once you have done just those two things, your account is verified. It's not going to ask you for a US bank account again. Your account is going to be fully working. This is the exact method that I have used myself. I've been using PayPal, I think, for the past 8 or 9 years. I don't know how long. As you can see, my card is now connected there. My account is verified. It's got no issues at all. If you've got any questions or you want me to make another video tutorial, just let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, all the best to you.